as you can see here, I'm in my dad's truck, just cruising along. In this freaking town or little city. I got the 800. Actually, I brought 900 bucks just in case like this guy wants to be a buster and like act like we didn't negotiate on the phone. Like, I still got the 900. I'm gonna be a good guy, but we negotiated at 800, so this clown better not try to come at me. So the meeting went pretty smooth. Like I said, I hopped out. They had the bike just sitting there, looked like they had just washed it or something. This guy had a brand new boot on top of that carburetor. I looked at that, it looked sparkling brand new. I know that it was. So, you know, when I saw that, I was instantly like, okay, this is not a piece of crap bike. This guy spent money. So then he goes into detail on how he had just spent $360 on a real Yamaha carburetor to get the bike running. I kind of figured that he was gonna act clueless, like we didn't negotiate on the phone. So this rat bastard made me pay 900 bucks after driving fucking 45 minutes out here. But I'm still not too mad because I think that I can post it for 1,500 and potentially get 1,500. When I started this, I started with 30 bucks. Not that I was poor, by no means. I just initially started with $30 and I bought one item and then ended up selling that and blah 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 blah. I can go into real detail in another video.
Take that off. This.
Let's go ahead and give her a ride. Look at this custom seat. So you don't even need the clutch if you shift right. Look at how quiet it is, dog. New grips, new little throttle thing right there. Brakes work good. Not one simple putter, nothing. Look at that. Go ahead and pick her up the seat. Alright, Jacob's gonna ride it. Let's see how this bad boy goes. Alright. At him. Oh, you hear it? Oh, he's freaking zooming. But yeah, I mean, I was popping wheelies on this bad boy and everything. So all we have to do is take a couple of pictures and post it for sale, because this thing's ready to go. Whoa! Okay, me and Rosie are on the way to my mom's house. I just fucking posted the dirt bikes for sale 32 minutes ago on the clock. It's actually raining pretty hard. I don't know if y'all can see. Me and Rosie are literally driving. This lady that's coming to pick up this dirt bike that I posted for sale less than an hour ago, she's coming to pick up this dirt bike even though it's freaking pouring down raining right now. So I'm on the way to go pick up some bread. Alright, at this point I've got all the bikes warmed up. So that way there ain't no problems when they get here. Just waiting.
Route to 815 Melville Street.
Oh my gosh, it went way better than planned.
At the stop sign.
Oh my gosh,
right
I'm in my dad's truck right now. The lady paid for, not only did she buy one dirt bike, but she bought two dirt bikes. She paid on the spot.
In 1 mile, turn right onto Lubbock Road.
I'm delivering them to her house. She lives 18 minutes away. So I literally just doubled my money. So now I'll keep driving and be safe because it's raining. I'll see you in a bit. Okay, I just got home, back to my parents' house. Now I can actually just show you guys the proof here. I guess I can't turn around, but there we go. Look how fresh them bitches are. Goo! Love that. Let me turn my camera around. Okay, here we go. This is a put in and it puts out. Look at that. Those are so fresh they don't even separate. Look at that. It looks like after selling like 6 or 7 dirt bikes. That's a lot of 100s right there. Like, more than 3, don't worry. Actually, sorry, right there. Look at that. Look at all that. Okay, I'm on the way right now to go pick up a TTR 225 from Covington, Louisiana this time. Alright, I'm back in my dad's truck, zooming through the city. Okay, as you can see, we got the bike in the back. Met up with the guy. I met up with him at an apartment. Whoa, this guy behind me going fucking fast. Anyways, I met up with him at his apartment. It was pretty sweet. I hopped out. He pulled up on the bike. It was kind of smoking. So then he hopped off. He let me hop on. I rode it around a little bit. And then I started like acting like the smoke was a big deal. So then he said, you know what? I'll take off $100 since it's smoking oil. I mean, since it's smoking. So I said, all right, deal. So he had the bike posted for $12.50 is what he had it for sale. It's a TTR 225, year 2004 with the paperwork. But I ended up getting it for $800. So I believe it's probably a $2,000 bike. I've sold a 230 for $2,000, so it's pretty close to $2,000. Now I'm happy. Ha! Okay, I just left work. I just got my paycheck from work. Nice. It's 4:30. I'm on the way to my mom's house because I have someone that drove from Port Allen to pick up the 225. So we'll see him when he gets there. I'm excited. Paid $8. Let's go. Shoot, yeah. All right, dude. We're here at the bank. About to make that deposit. All the work paid off. You'll see now. All right. Let's see. I don't know what stack that is, but and this is a different stack. Yeah, dude. Good old fat motherfucking stack. Let me put them right there so we can make them all the same. All right. Cool. Look at those 20s only. Shoo! Let's go, man. That's a ton right there, dude. Like, look at that. Okay, so we're gonna deposit that, and we'll deposit these too. You like that, Rosie? Huh? You like that, girl?